In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Gmail so you can finally say goodbye to the hassle of copying and pasting the same text over and over again. This is a great way to streamline your email writing process, making you much more efficient with your time. Let's start by opening up Gmail. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your settings button. Click on it and from the drop down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu where you have access to various configuration options that Gmail offers. Within this settings menu, look for the Advanced tab. It's likely located towards the far right of the tabs list. Click on it and you'll be introduced to an array of features designed to enhance your Gmail experience. Here you need to find the templates section. It might take a little scrolling down, but once you locate it, you'll see an Enable button next to it. Click on Enable. What this does is activate the ability to create, save and insert templates effortlessly in your emails. After you've enabled the templates, remember to save the changes. Just look for the Save Changes button, usually found at the bottom of the page, and click it. Now Gmail will reload and it's time to see your new feature in action. Once you're back at the main Gmail interface, click the Compose button, typically found on the left side. A new message window will open up. In this window, look towards the bottom right of the screen for the More Options icon, which resembles three vertical dots. Clicking on it will expose more options, and in those options you'll find the Templates menu. From the Templates menu, when you click it, you'll observe the Insert Template list. This is where all your previously saved templates will be displayed. Select the template that you wish to insert, and like magic, it will be inserted directly into your email's Compose window, perfectly formatted and ready for use. Now that your template is in place, take a moment to review it. You may find that some details need to be personalized for the recipient, such as names or specific information relevant to them. Go ahead and make those necessary changes. Don't forget, the goal is to make this email feel personal and significant to the recipient. Once you're satisfied with everything and you've ensured all the details are correct, click on Send. Your email is now good to go. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you've learned how to efficiently use Gmail templates. This tool is a game changer for saving time and maintaining consistency across your communications. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.